Hi there! We are frying up some crispy eggplant fritters today. Called Beguni, these fritters may be enjoyed with a meal or a cup of tea. There are a lot of tips for you to get them perfectly crispy. Ready for indulgence? Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? Wash and clean the eggplant or begun as it is called in Bengali. This is about 300 grams. You could use a slicer to make slices or just a knife. I'm using the knife today. Chop off both the ends to make it stand. Slice it along the length. That done, I'm using a piece that is left to show you how to make Begun Bhaja. Just lay these out. Sprinkle them with salt. Coat both sides. Adding the salt will not only season the slices of eggplant, they will also draw out the water. Leave it aside for 10 minutes. For the Begun Bhaja, add salt and a bit of turmeric powder. Coat the pieces well and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. For the batter, 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, pinch of onion seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of castor sugar. Add in a little water at first. Add in more as required to make a coating paste. Make sure that there are no lumps in it. Beat it for a couple of minutes and that should be ready. Let's get back to the eggplants. They have released water. So just get rid of the excess water. Use a tissue or paper towel to mop up all the water. Turn them over and mop up the other side. Time to fry them. Heat some oil in a pan and dip the eggplant pieces or the slices into the batter. Into the oil they go. See how this one has puffed up. So just keep flipping and cooking till you get a nice color on them. They will also become quite crunchy on the outside. That's a beautiful color and it's time to get them out. Drain the excess oil. Place them on absorbent paper. Fry the rest of them. The eggplant fritters have turned out to be really crispy. Some black salt on top. Right before serving. Clean up the mess. Try the crispy beguni with dal chawal and khichdi. You'll like it. or you could enjoy them with a hot cup of tea. Now, the difference between Beguni and Begun Bhaja, as a lot of my friends get confused. Now for the Begun Bhaja, fry the eggplant pieces in hot oil. Flip them over on all sides to cook evenly. The thinner the slice, the more oil it will absorb. And believe me, that's the most preferred one. I like to cut them into thicker pieces and cook on moderately high heat. They look done. So drain the oil and let them rest on absorbent paper. So these are called Begun Bhaja, plain fried eggplants, and these are the fritters or Beguni.